Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to auto-save your Vivo photos and videos on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to auto-save your Vivo phone photos and videos on your phone, first open up your Vivo app on your phone. And over here guys, after opening your Vivo app, at the bottom right corner of your screen you can see the more icon available for us. Simply tap on that more button. And on this panel you can see the settings available for us. Simply tap on that settings first. And over here guys, after landing on the settings of your Viber account, there is the media option available for us just below the calls and messages. Tap on that media. And over here guys, you can see all of the settings to allow Vivo to automatically save your media to your gallery, like your photos and your videos. And that being said guys, make sure to enable the save to gallery feature available for us. Allow Vivo to automatically save media to your gallery. And you also want to take care of these 2 or 3 options more. So you can see at the bottom side of the screen or the bottom side of the list, you can see there is the auto download media over mobile network, as well as the auto download media when connected to Wi-Fi. And you can choose between mobile network and Wi-Fi or both. Simply make sure to tap on the save to gallery and auto save media according to your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. And with that being said guys, you can see also the autoplay videos and restrict data usage option available. Customize your settings according to your preferences so that you can be able to download your or automatically save your media to your phone without getting your data loss. And with that being said guys, this is how you auto save or save your Vivo photos and videos on your gallery. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.